Hello, I'm Mary Leno. I'm an email copywriter, and on this second video of this series, I'm going to show you how even a crappy email can have a high open rate. That's right. So before we talked about the first thing that you want to pay attention to, and that is your subject line. But there's something that not a lot of people pay attention to, and that is the reason why I'm doing this video. So here we go. The most important thing that you want to talk about is obviously the subject line, but the second most important thing is a sender name. And what is that? Well, whenever you have an email where you're sending it to your audience, they need to know who it's coming from. So if you have a name of your company that is not very clear, people are not going to know who you are. That's why when you have a familiar sender name, you can use this hack to make sure that people know who you are. And that is using your first name from XYZ company. So for example, Mary from, and insert the company name, Mary Leno Marketing, for example. And the reason for that is because people are going to see that name, that company, and they're going to familiarize themselves with you a little bit more. And not only that, people connect with people, not with companies necessarily. So when you use a familiar sender name and you use that every single time, people are going to understand that that's who you are, that's where you're coming from. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. I hope this makes sense. The next video is going to show you something else that you can do to even improve your open rates. All right. Have a good rest of your day. Again, my name is Mary Leno, and I'm an email copywriter. If you need any help with your emails, let me know. I'll be happy to chat. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.